Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add signature in your Google Docs. So it's pretty simple. Now remember where you want your signature to appear. Let's say I want the signature to appear at the bottom. What I can do is place my cursor at the bottom because wherever I place the cursor, that's where the signature is going to appear. So I want it to be at the bottom of the page, so my cursor is at the bottom of the page. And what I can do is click on insert at the top right, click on drawing and click on new. From over here, what I can do is click on this line option and select scribble from over here. Once I select scribble, I can scribble my signature over here. So this is going to be my signature. This is just a random signature I'm doing, but let's say this is my signature. Now what I can do is click on save and close at the top. Now wherever my cursor was being placed, the signature is going to appear over here. I can also just click on it and drag it wherever I want it to be, but I want it to be over here, so I'm okay with that. So that is basically how we guys can add signature in your Google Doc. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.